So we're asked to write an equation for the parabola described below. So the focus is at the coordinates 5, 6, and the directrix is at x is equal to -2. We don't know the vertex, and we don't know which equation to use. So what we're going to do is just draw an axis and plot these points. So if I was to draw my axes, so we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and -1, -2, -3, and then we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we label those, -1, -2, -3. Okay, so now we need to plot these points. So the focus we know is at 5, 6. So this is going to be at 5, 6. This is the focus. This is at 5, 6. And the directrix we're told is that x is equal to -2. So x is equal to -2. That's this line here. So this is our directrix at x is equal to -2. So we know that the parabola needs to open away from the directrix and the focus is going to be inside. So we know that the shape is going to open to the right. So now we just need to find the vertex. Now, we know from the facts about a parabola that the distance between the focus and the vertex is equal to the distance between the vertex and the directrix. So the vertex must be the midpoint between the directrix and the focus. So we could use the midpoint formula. So to do that, we need to choose a point on the directrix. So if we choose this point here, the coordinates are -2. So we've got -2, 6. And then the focus, we have 5 and 6. So we need to find, so we've got x1 plus x2 divided by 2. And we'll have y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So we've got -2 plus 6. So -2 and 5. So -2 and 5 divided by 2. And then we have y1. So this is going to be our 6 plus 6 divided by 2. So now 3 over 2. So that's 3 over 2, comma, and 6 plus 6 is 12 divided by 2 is 6. So you can rewrite this as 1.5, 6. So 1.5, 6 would be here. So this is our vertex. So the next thing we need to do now is write down our equation. So we're going to be using x is equal to a, y minus k squared plus h. So we're going to substitute in the values that we know. So y minus, so this is our vertex. So the vertex here, which is hk. So a minus k, so this is going to be -6 squared. And then plus 1.5. So now we need to find the value for a. So we can use the formula for the directrix. So directrix. So this formula is x is equal to h minus 1 over 4a. So we're going to substitute in the values that we know. So the directrix we're told is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. So minus 2, h we know is 1.5, and we've got minus 1 over 4a. So minus 2 minus 1.5 is equal to minus 1 over 4a. So minus 3.5 is equal to minus 1 over 4a. And now we're going to multiply through by 4a. So if you multiply both sides, that cancels by 4a. So we'll have minus 14a is equal to minus 1. And then if we divide by 14, this will cancel. And we're left with a is equal to 1 over 14. So our final equation, x is equal to 1 over 14, y minus 6 squared plus 1.5. So a is 1/14th. So we also know that the length of the lattice rectum is going to be 1 over a. So that's going to be 14 units. So you can check on our graph. So this means that the distance each side of the focus would be 7. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if we were to draw our graph, so it's going to do something like this. And this line here, I said this is our lattice rectum.